The government is putting a lot of pressure, that's a fact. And not only pressure, it is investigation also. If you go to see the investigation yesterday in the assembly, 3 days back on demands, reply to demands, the PWD minister made it very clear that most of his work of the JICA was done during his tenure. I can understand that the government is, when one person was caught, he made a statement that I have nothing to do with it, that I am already out of the company, and this is that I am not working for the company, and this is they are pressurizing me or something. I am not involved in the whole thing. Let law take its own course. If they have said that the accused are there, then let law take its own course. Now, during 7 days of investigation, now after Vijay's name is coming, next who will come? You never know.
लुईस बर्जराचो जो विषय आसा म्हाका तरी दिसता इंग्लिश द इश्यू ऑफ लुईस बर्जर we have been demanding from the beginning should be handed over to the CBI. Not that we do not have faith in the Goa police, but definitely it involves an international company. Statement has been made in the United States of America. The Goa police has got limitation in getting information. Hence, we feel Congress party is open to any kind of investigation. Please hand over the case as committed by the Honorable Chief Minister that he's going to hand it over to the CBI. Then why is it not been handed over till today? Initially, when the issue broke out, it was said that they'll approach the government of India and have it delivered and issue a letter saying that we want to hand this over to the CBI. We are saying that Goa government and its police have got limitation in investigation. We are saying before you come to any conclusion, please hand it over to the CBI. Let all the issues get investigated by the CBI. We are open to the investigation.
But sir, accused had already taken the names of both the ministers.
Accused may take any name. We don't know who's taking whose name. It is by just this investigation is not going to end at Churchill Alema and Digambar Kamath. We are strongly behind our leader, Mr. Digambar Kamath, and we feel that a CBI kind of agency will add more credibility to the investigation.